So this is my family. These are my 90-year-old grandparents. They live at home in Hawaii, and they want to maintain independence at home. And this is my mom. She's a single parent. She works a 9-to-5 job, and just because she's geographically closest to Grandma and Grandpa, she feels the burden, or not the burden, or the responsibility, I should say, of providing care to Grandma and Grandpa. Even though she has 2 sisters and a family of resources, she feels like she's the only caregiver in the situation. This is very stressful, overwhelming, and frustrating. On the other hand, my grandma here wants to maintain independence at home, essentially staying at home as long as possible. So she faces issues like medication non-compliance, either overdosing or underdosing, food insecurity, as well as fulfilling basic needs, simply like cleaning the house.
Anna and Alice are just one of countless cases across the globe, especially in a world where elderly are projected to outnumber children. We are addressing a major need for 90% of elders who want to stay home, as well as benefiting our consumers who on average lose 16 hours a week in productivity to caregiving.
So we're creating a platform that distributes the responsibilities of caregiving to existing family members as well as existing family resources. If you take a look to your right, this is Grandma's Care community, composed of both in-person and remote caregivers, as well as medical professionals. This is what you would see as a caregiver on our application. You would first be prompted by the week's tasks. So for example, if the heater in Grandma's house breaks, everyone will be noted to take action. Below is a timeline of check-ins. So whether that's an in-person check-in or an over-the-phone call, once one caregiver is ensured Grandma is safe, everyone on the platform is ensured Grandma is safe. This feature also allows us caregivers to communicate with doctors to update them on Grandma's home care needs, or home care, the status of Grandma's home care. And this is the doctor's web interface. So as you can see, the doctors have access to information such as Grandma's prescriptions, when is Grandma going to come for the next appointment. As well, allows the doctor to engage in a two-way communication with family around Grandma's home care.
There are currently many other solutions on the market, ranging from assisted living or calling services or applications. However, we differentiate ourselves by encouraging active involvement of the community around the individual, such as their family and friends, in taking care of the individual. Our initial target market are the 4 million caregivers in California who are unpaid and care for seniors. As we grow, we will expand our geographic scope to the U.S. market of 34 million caregivers to seniors.
Our go-to-market has 2 kinds of platforms. So we have a business-to-consumer as well as business-to-business. For our business-to-consumer, we try to onboard as many users as we can by simply providing a freemium user base. Once we have acquired enough database, we can then personally connect with actual medical professionals so that they can actually personally refer their patients to our service. After that, we hope to then connect with actual insurance plans so that this can be part of their benefit plan. How do we do this? Well, the business to consumer, we hope to first immerse ourselves within the community. We do this by simply participating in grassroots initiatives. We then try to connect our platform with elder care blogs, such as AARP. We then try to use hyper-targeted social media platforms such as Facebook and Google Ads. Once we have done that, we then can try to personally connect with medical professionals as well as health insurance providers, so that they are able to move on and recommend it to their hospital systems. We then try to leverage our networking system simply by participating in healthcare conferences, really providing this platform for different resources. We then try to really, institutionally grasp our insurance platform so that this can be a wide service. We really try to make sure that our stakeholders really can see the value in this. And so the first way we do this is to really try to help medical professionals see that this really builds higher quality patient engagement, which is a key for health providers. For insurance, we really try to lower the cost because really this platform helps lower the cost instead of paying $4,000 for insurance.
Implementing this B2B strategy, we are growing a sustainable business. We plan on breaking even after 3 years of operations, and reach our 22 million revenue milestone after 5 years of operations. In the meantime, we also ensure that our customer acquisition costs remain low. Today, we're looking for a 2 million initial funding opportunity in order to fuel into our engineering, sales, and marketing efforts, and continue pursuing further growth.